Hello everyone, how are you doing? So, today I want to tell you about the lesson of intelligent brains, a lesson where it is the part 1 is uploaded. Actually, the link is also in the description box. You can watch that, and today's video is going to start soon. Okay, I'm going to start today's video. Okay. So today in this video we're going to see the part 2 video. So in part 1 video you all remember what we have learned. So today video is about part 2 video. Before going to the point, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And other thing is that we are new to this YouTube channels, so please don't forget to encourage us. Okay, let's start the video. So in previous video we have already learned the introduction part and the layers of the earth. They are crust, mantle and inner core and outer core. In this video we are going to learn about rocks such as igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic and rock cycle, and these topics we are going to cover further. Now let us see in today's video let us see the part 2 video about rocks. So first, can anyone have an idea about rocks? Express in the chat box. In today's video let us see please hello. There are some problems in my desktop, so I couldn't be speaking till now. Okay, I hope now I'm audible. Okay, let me speak this. First of all, I think you have all remembered what's the topic, as it is there in the title box. So very sorry. all the things what had happened. Actually, I was having a disturbance. That's why I couldn't make the video. Okay, now it's available, I think. Yes, I hope you're all able to see the slides. Right? Okay. Okay, let's start the video from here, and remember that this recording will be again posted to you. Okay? Okay. So thank you for being with me up to time. So let us start the video. So today we are going to discuss the part 2 video of interior of the earth. It is important to learn how is earth made and what is the structure of the earth. So in part 1 video we have just known the introduction part and the layers of the earth such as crust, mantle and core. Right? The core again consists of outer and inner core, right? So this link is posted in the description box. You can go through that, and you don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and channel. Now let us go through today's video. That's about the rocks, and it is about the types of rocks that are igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic rocks, and the important one is the rock cycle. We are going to discuss about that, and let's go with the rocks. So today's video we are going to start. So what do you see in this picture? I have labeled here, right? What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can all see rocks, right? Do you think these rocks are important? Yes, they are important. I am waiting for your answer. So today let us learn what are rocks first, okay? The earth's crust is made up of hard, solid material called rocks. And the rocks are also coarse in nature. What do you mean by coarse? Can anyone in chat box? Yes, coarse means hard. Coarse means what? Hard means rough to touch. Rough and hard give a different sense in different meanings, but here this means rough. Okay, they are of different colors, right? You see gypsum, granite, basalt and many other. They are different colors and they are of different sizes and even though textures. They are all not same in colors, they are not same in textures, and even they are not same in their composition, right? So based on the colors, sizes and texture, there are three types of rocks such as igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. So what are these rocks? Why are they important? How are they getting differentiated? Today let us see. First let us see about the igneous rocks. What are igneous rocks? Yes, when magma is rising towards the crust. You know what is magma, right? What is magma? It is nothing but lava. When the fluid inside the volcano, assume this as a volcano, so the fluid inside is called as magma. So when it is coming out, it is known as what? It is known as lava. then this is going to cool down on the earth's crust. This is the earth's crust, right? So this is going to cool up on the earth's crust and form as rocks. So here the rocks which are formed, mainly not only this in manner, but which are formed by solidification of a magma are called as igneous rocks. But if they are formed on the crust, on the earth's surface, then they are called as extrusive igneous rocks. So this rock is an extrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks. I hope I am clear to all. My voice is clear to all. Okay. Now here, the properties of these extrusive igneous rocks are, they are finely grained and glassy, means glossy, shiny. Did you understand? Lustrous, not as luster as metals, but they are luster in nature. And these are solidifying at the first rate. This is an important point and the main significance of the extrusive igneous rocks. They are solidifying at the first rate, means these are so pure. Okay, did you understand? Example, what can you see? A basalt. You want to see the basalt here? Can you see the basalt? Yes. So this basalt is an example of extrusive igneous rocks. Next, sometimes earth have some gaps, right? The crust of earth has some gaps like this. Is this correct? Don't the earth have gaps? Yes, it have gaps. That's why sometimes what happens is that the lava or the magma gets trapped into these gaps. Then these gaps the magma in these caps gets solidifies. What does it become? A solid, or it gets solidified. Then these type of rocks are called as intrusive igneous rocks. This means that they are formed inside the crust of the earth. That's why they are called as intrusive igneous rocks. This means the rocks are formed when magma gets trapped under the crust and cools down to solidify. These type of igneous rocks form large crystals and have a coarse structure. Coarse means, I have said, no, rough structure. And slowly these either go under the surface or either come upon the surface. What happens if they go under the surface, we will learn in this video later. But if they come upon the surface, they are called as intrusive igneous rocks. Example, granite. What you see here in the image is granite, and this is basalt. Now let us see about the second types of rocks. They are sedimentary rocks. Any idea? Yes, if you have any idea, just post in the chat box. Yes, Isha Akshaya, thank you. Okay. So we have already learned that some igneous rocks, mainly the intrusive igneous rocks, get broken and settle or go deep into the earth. So after some time these small fragments are formed. So these small fragments are compressed together, or they are hardened together by the temperature, time and pressure. But the small fragments are called as sediments. Remember this. This is an important keyword. So by this they are getting compressed by the temperature and pressure, and even time is included here, because without time we cannot do anything, right? It takes a lot of time to form the rocks. Then these type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. They are formed by layers, or they are found also in layers. So these rocks generally contain small holes or pores which are softer than igneous rocks. But can you know anything? Not only rocks, the materials such as fossil fuels. I think you all know what are fossil fuels. Yes, living dead remained materials of living particles. These fossil fuels are also examples of sedimentary rocks. An example of a rock is gypsum. So I hope you can understand what is gypsum by seeing this image. This gypsum, an extra point is that it is very helpful in chemical processes. This is the most important chemical you need to remember, okay. Next we are going to see the metamorphic rocks. Generally, can anyone know what is meaning of morphic? Generally, in terms of biology, morphology means the study of external characters. Morphic means external characters or the characters. Externally what we see or what we observe it. Then metamorphic. What do you understand? There is something change in its external structure, right? Yes, these type of rocks are called as metamorphic rocks. After some time, the igneous and sedimentary rocks, either the both or together, they transpose or metamorphose, means they change by heat and pressure into another new form or new rock. The rocks which are formed in this manner are called as metamorphic. An example, when limestone, what is the formula of limestone? Yes, CaCO3. Then this CaCO3 remains constant. Okay, did you understand? But it is changed into marble, means the external characters are changing. So this is limestone. This is limestone and this is marble. My pen is not working properly, please bear with that. So this limestone is getting changed into marble, but the chemical composition is remaining same, means the external characters are changing because of heat and pressure. The important role here is played by whom? The heat and the pressure not appear as it is. So these rocks start to form from the magma. So the important components, like in the life chain, the plants are important components. Like this here is a magma is an important component by which rocks can be formed. So next what happens at the first, remember this hashtag point, they are so important, that's why I have kept an hashtag for them. So this magma is cooling down to form the igneous rocks, right? So I think you have got a doubt that if they are formed inside the earth's crust, how can they come up? They can come up by folding and faulting. There are two processes. If you want, you ask me the video, I will again post on these topics. Next, these are broken and dispersed by weathering, means they are dispersed by weathering, means using weather they are exchanged, they move from one position to another position, and erosion also to form sediments. Sediments means small fragmented pieces. Okay, so please remember these highlighted words, these are so important. Next, these are transported using wind, water or ice, right? If they are using wind or water, they are called as erosion. Only wind, weathering, and ice sometimes. So here you can see a diagram to understand more and more. Then these are getting compressed by temperature and pressure to form deposited layers by which we get sedimentary rocks. Okay, so here if you observe, these are brought up by folding and faulting, again sent by weathering and erosion, and deposited on a surface of earth where they are compressed or they are hardened to form layers. These form the sedimentary rocks. Then next, by the time with again brule means high and high temperatures and pressures make them to form metamorphic rocks. These metamorphic rocks either come onto the surface of the earth, or either melt with magma. You know how how hot is magma, right? Magma is so hot in nature. That's why the metamorphic rocks to melt in that to form the molten mantle. So it can either go to form magma or come onto the surface. So the melted metamorphic rocks again lead to the formation of igneous rocks. So this continuation process by which the magma forms igneous rocks, igneous forms sedimentary or directly sedimentary rocks, or again to metamorphic rocks, and again to the top of surface or to the magma. This cyclic procedure or this continuous process is called the rock cycle. So I hope you understood up to now. So this is the diagram, please note it down. So today let us see the summary of today's class. That is, the earth's crust is made up of hard solid material called rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Please take note of this. So I request you all to take note of it. So because these are important points mainly. The igneous rocks are formed by solidification of magma. Then the sedimentary rocks are formed by compressed and hardened fragments, means the small pieces which are weathered or eroded from igneous rocks, form into deposited layers by pressure and temperature depending on the area to form sedimentary rocks. And metamorphic rocks are formed by transposing or metamorphing the rocks from sedimentary or igneous to metamorphic rocks using heat and pressure. The important components are heat, pressure and temperature. And next we have discussed about the rock cycle, how the magma forms igneous rocks, igneous forms sedimentary to metamorphics back to magma. So this is about the rock cycle, and I hope you have understood today's class. And till now we have learnt about the layers of the earth and rocks and rock cycle. In next video I'm going to come with minerals, fossil fuels and uses of rocks, minerals and fossil fuels with another life. If you like this live session, give me an encouraging comment that I can make more videos on this. I hope you understood this topic, and meet you again. Bye bye. Thank you.